Got a rockfish. Got a rockfish. First rockfish. Hooked him though. So far, I got a rock crab and a rockfish, but no monkey-faced eel. Oh, nice. Is that a?
Yeah, boy. What is it?
Is that a cab?
Can I keep it?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh wait, no, there's size restriction. Or is that a bull sculpin?
I think it's round. You know what this is? It's like Amazon. It's not the size, huh? It's too small, huh? It's gotta be 15. You gotta measure?
I got one on me.
Huh?
I have measuring tape on me.
It's gotta be 15. I don't think that's 15.
I don't think that's 15.
It don't look 15.
I mean, I'd measure it. It looks close. It's on your hook anyway. Don't go anywhere.
Get up out of here.
All right, I got you. I'll be over there.
Over there and pass it to you, Mark.
As long as I don't die on this kelp.
Yeah. Really? I mean, we have honey hole right here.
Did you go to the more than fishing thing today?
Yeah, I helped June and everyone set up. I'm gonna be back there once I'm done.
Okay.
Poling.
Cool. Yeah, I wanted to go check it out.
Yeah, no, they're all good people. 13 and a half. Yep. So it's gotta go back.
No, mine was a lot smaller. That's an actual cab though, right there. That's a male, right?
Yeah. I mean, I would say it's money's on male more than female just because of the coloring, but like females, typically, yeah. At least the females that I've caught have all been blue.
Yo, got an eel!
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah! Got my first eel! There's another one in here. It was just taking my bait. Yo, I got another one! Here we are back at the same hole for a third time, and I'm feeling bites. I don't think it's gonna take it though. Feel something. This water level's coming up pretty quick. All right, that's that. I'm out of here. Okay, Ocean told me no more. Totally just rocked me sideways. I got water in my waders. I'm good. I'm good. I feel like I'm rollerblading out here on this kelp. Oh, ah. That's what I meant by rollerblading.